Sometimes we are met with a situation where we have to finish a job at home. Well, for this reason you need to build your home desk. If you have a small space in your bedroom and want to put a desk on there, then a simple floating desk may become a solution. It will help you to do your work while you stay at your home. If you're looking for floating desk for your bedroom, well, this video is perfect for you. In this video we will show you more than 30 cool floating desk ideas to enrich your inspiration when you want to make a desk in your home. Hope it will be useful information for you.